Hello guys, today I brought a new project and that is the title of the project is cartooning an image using OpenCV Python. So, okay, we know the title. What we have to do? What is the purpose of this project? So, let me tell you. Instead of sketching images by hand, we can use OpenCV to convert any image into the cartoon images. So in this video, you will learn how to turn any images such as yours or others and or any cartoon images also. We can turn into the effects, cartooning effects. So we have to apply some steps. So let's see. Okay, we know that what are the title of the project and we know that where we use this project, and we have to know where we built this project. So first you have to load an image. You have to download any image from the Google or your phone etc. in the system, and we have to load an image in our code, and it will automatically detect edges and smooth of the colors and combine everything to create fun cartoon effect. So it's simple, right? And fast, and it's also fast and a great beginner OpenCV Python. If you want to upgrade your skills in OpenCV, means this is the great project, guys. So another thing, when you are doing this project, so we have to check it out. That is first things first, right? Yeah, make sure you have OpenCV and Matplotlib installed. Run this in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, because when we are going through the project, we have to include the OpenCV and Python. So if it not installed, it will waste of time. So make sure it will install in your Jupyter notebook. And in the section 3, we will see in the loading the image. So now we will go through our project. So now let's start with our project. So here I'm going to create a project. I already told you that in first step we have to install required libraries. It's right. Yeah, we have to import a required library such as pip install OpenCV and Python. Here I use OpenCV such as CV2 and Matplotlib. Here we have to install it front of that only. So after this, we have to read the images. I have taken image from the Google and I have saved it to my system, and then I loaded into the code. By I'm read, it will generate the code for the images. So okay, we imported libraries, then we loaded images. After that, what we have to check it, right? If image is found or not, we have to check it. So here we are giving some command. If image is none, print image not found, right? And else convert BGR means background color, and blue, green, red, and OpenCV default. So we are using this one. And if image is found means it will generate our image. If image is not found means it will generate image not found. So here I'm using the Matplotlib, which is Matplotlib syntax. So now I'm generating this code and it displayed my images. So my image is Greek for Geeks, a computer science portal for Greek, which is I download from the Google. If you want any images to download yourself, and you can also download from your Google, or you can also download your pictures also. So we have read the images in step 2. Now we will see the step 3. I want to add some grayscale to my project. I want to add some grayscale to my images. Okay. What I do? Cartoon images depend on edges, right? So we have to convert the image to the grayscale first. So I use this. I use this command, which is gray is equal to CV2.cvd color, and image this syntax is I use, and then it will generated to the grayscale. Okay, up to this over, and okay, regenerator. Then what we have to do? We have to apply medium blur. I want medium blur in my images. I want to decorate my image. like cartoon. So I want to apply medium blur to my images. So now what I do means, in this gray blue, I it's not gray blue, it's gray blur. So I using Glaber, and we smoothen the grayscale image to the remove noise and make edges detection clear. Okay. So we smoothen the grayscale image to remove noise. So I'm using this syntax for that. So okay, up to this over. What I done from first step to second step, fourth step, I install required libraries such as pip install OpenCV Python, and read the images. I have loaded images, and also I have converted image to the grayscale, and now I applied a medium blur. And now in step 5, detect edges using the adaptive thresholding. So in this, it will detect the edges. By these commands, by this syntax, I will highlight the edges in the images and give it this sketch like effect. I'll give sketch like effect. So I'm using the thresholding. Okay. So I'm using this command for that. And then okay, smooth in the original image using the Belver filter. So we have to smooth in the original images. The filter smooths the images while preserving the edges and give it the cartoon-like appearance. It will give cartoon-like appearance. So okay, up to this, it's over. In step 7, combining edges with smooth and images. We have to combine edges with smooth and images. So now we have combined the sketches. Sketch means edges, and smooth images using bitwise, and I'm using bitwise, and I'm also creating a final cartoon effect. So by using the matplotlib syntax, it will generate the display. It will generate or display the cartoon effect of picture. Now we will see the output. So this is the output. I given this picture here, and by using all this syntax, it will generate. So this is the output. I given this image here, I loaded this image here, and by using these all commands, it generated the picture like this here. So this is the project. This is the basic project of OpenCV Python. If you want to learn more, means just follow more, and once check it out. We installed libraries and imported libraries and loaded picture. We are checking if picture is there or not, and by using the matplotlib, I'm displayed the image, and then I'm using grayscale to my image, and I'm making a little blur to image to make a good cartoon effect, and it will smoothen the image for a cartoon by using the adaptive thresholding. And then again I'm giving some smooth and filter to my image. By using the matplotlib syntax, I am showing the output of the my image. If not this, you can import any type of images if you want. And this is the final project of our cartooning and image using OpenCV Python. If you want to learn more, please follow and like and share and subscribe.